Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Maya Smith and I'm coming to you to show you how I got these bomb defined shiny results using Miche Beauty on my stretch twist out. I already showed how I did one on wet hair, but this one is on stretched hair. So let's jump right into it. I started off by blow drying my hair. Let me know if you want a tutorial because I did do that off camera. And after that, I just sectioned my hair off and applied the Miche Beauty Lavish leave-in conditioner to make sure my hair was properly moisturized. And then after that, I went in with the polished oil. I did this to each section, not every twist. So each section, as you can see, I'm parting off like a big section of hair, each section like that. Some of the main ingredients in the Lavish leave-in conditioner is aloe vera and avocado oil. And in the polished oil, it's argan oil and jojoba oil. All of those oils are very hydrating and will leave your hair super moisturized. I'm really focused on moisture because the longer your hair stays moisturized, the longer your results last and the better they look. So after I got done applying my leave-in conditioner oil to each section, I separated my hair in a smaller section to start my twist. And I went in with the Quenched hydrating twisting butter from Miche Beauty. And one of the main star ingredients is kapuasu butter. Kapuasu butter helps your hair stay hydrated longer, giving you longer results. I absolutely love kapuasu butter and I'm glad that it's in this twisting butter because the results came in and showed out. Like this twist out lasted like a week and a half. So as you can see, I'm just twisting my hair from the root to the bottom. And after that, I went in with a perm rod because my hair wasn't as curly as on the ends as I wanted them. So I just took a perm rod and didn't go like halfway up, but tried to get mostly the bottom because I really didn't want to do a twist and curl. I was trying to do a twist out and I didn't want the ends to be straight because that doesn't look good at all. So I just repeated this step throughout my whole entire head. And as I got further to the top, the pieces got bigger because I wanted a lot of volume at the top and my hair isn't really thick, so that's the way for me to fake some volume. So here's my hair all completed, all twisted up. And I just went to bed like this. I did sleep very uncomfortable because I didn't want to put a scarf on because I wanted my hair to dry faster. And I actually took the perm rods out and left the twist in for a day. So I left these twists in for 2 days to make sure that they were fully dry. So on this day, I went in with the polished hair oil and put it on my hands to take down my twist to reduce frizz. And just look at that shine and definition. I was so happy. Oh my goodness. So I just repeated this step all through my head until my whole head was taken down. So after I got done taking down all of my hair, I went in, again throughout my whole head and started to separate. once I started to separate, my hair did get a little bit of frizz. So I did stop separating, and I said my hair will just get more volume like throughout the days, because that automatically happens to my hair. So I just left it alone and went in with a pick to fluff out my hair. After I got done fluffing my hair to its desired height, I just went in with some edge control and slicked one side of my edges down and secured it with a bobby pin for a more sleek look. And these are my finished results. I absolutely was in love with my hair. I did not think my hair was capable of looking like this. I did not want to do a stretch twist out, but because you guys voted for it on my Instagram stories, actually my best friend went and settled the vote. Shout out to her. I did challenge myself to do a new hairstyle, and I'm so glad. This is going to be my go-to for when I do my twist outs. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know if you used these products before and what styles you have tried. You can use my discount code for 20% off your purchase. Everything will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye.